Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Without acting alone, without have no soul.
Many coffee drink, so many coffee machine. Anything in Italy as long as we can pull off the perfect coffee. Think about the classic Moka Espresso, the Italian staple for coffee at home. This, Italian sides, American sides. I'm kidding. This is depending on how many people you have around. If you are a lonely person and doesn't like company, or you're by yourself, you're a bachelor, whatever. You're a single guy or a single lady. These little things is perfect for one person. Actually, people are taking these, something little like this, when they go camping for a few days. They bring one with a little burner and they make coffee in the morning. It's perfect for backpack, very practical. Then there is the 3-person version. Makes the same coffee for 3 people, 6 people, 65,000 people. In my house, I have the 3 one, because I always like a big glass of coffee, and I have the big one in case I have people over. I don't want to make my guests wait 3-4 times if there is 10 people. That's perfect, just use it.
I tell you, there's nothing like a delicious cup of strong espresso to start your morning. Well, now you can make the best espresso in town right at home with the attractive, easy-to-use Lux House Stovetop Espresso Maker. Durably made of top-quality stainless steel, it's the culinary standard for a reason. Easy to clean and lasts forever. Plus, stainless heats evenly, unlike cheap aluminum models. This makes 6 small demi-tasse cups in every pot, so you have plenty for family and guests. All you need to do is fill the bottom chamber with water. Add ground coffee to the filter, Secure the top and bottom chambers together. Place the Lux House stovetop espresso maker onto the stove. Remove from heat and serve. Save lots of money and time by making espresso at home. Get your Lux House stovetop espresso maker today.